You guys, look what just arrived. Okay, I already started opening it because this box is largely unmarked, and I was like, what is this? Where did this come from? I started opening it, and then I realized what it is, and I wanted to catch the unboxing here on video. So let's get to it. A little bit of backstory. I have been looking for shoes for being at work in the roastery because it's like a long day on your feet on concrete floors. I tried Blundstones. They didn't really work for me. I got myself a pair of Dickies, like their work boots, and they work pretty well, but I've also just been like looking for other solutions. So Instagram, as I was looking for shoes, the algorithm picked that up, and Instagram has been sending me ads for all kinds of shoes lately. But these ones came up and I was intrigued because they are made from repurposed coffee grind. As someone who works in coffee, I usually roll my eyes at that. I probably did roll my eyes at that, and then I was like, maybe I should look into it, because actually the shoes look really cool. And yeah, again, I've been looking for work boots, work shoes for a while, and these ones, they piqued my interest. So anyway, let's do the unboxing. I'm really hoping that I love these shoes, but if I don't, I'll let you know. Here we go. This is what they look like. They got little coffee beans on there. Cool. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, coffee beans and a little coffee plant on the paper inside. Wow, that looks cool. So again, a lot of shoes come up on my Instagram feed, and these ones, they looked really neat. So there it is. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's a really lightweight shoe. The way that it's laced is really cool. It's got a little bit right there, and then it goes up. So there is like the sole, obviously, and this is completely waterproof, or so they say online. But it the way it feels, it definitely feels like it's totally gonna be waterproof. And then there's an inner layer here that is, it feels kind of like a wetsuit, which is kind of nice. One of the problems I have with like Blundstones and Doc Martens and like other Chelsea boots is I feel like my foot is just like flopping around on there. It's not like, my foot isn't secure. I'm used to wearing Converse and shoes that lace up, and I like my foot to be like held and cozy inside my shoe. So when I try on Chelsea boots, I often feel like my foot is like kind of flopping around, or if I get a size smaller, they're way too small and my toes are hitting up against the front. So that's why I wanted to try something that was a little bit like, a little more, could hug my foot a little bit. But these look super cool. The sole here, it's got, oh, very flexible. Not that my foot is going to be doing that, I hope. This is the shoe. All right, I want to try it on. Let's take a read on this thing. It's called the XpreSole. Let's read about it, shall we? Coffee is recyclable and sustainability is liberating. We've transformed the waste from 2.4 billion coffee cups that are poured every day and turned them into every component of XpreSole. Every component? That means each part of this shoe has spent coffee grounds in it. That's pretty cool. All right, let's continue reading. Most innovative technology that supports a healthy planet. Oh, so they recycled 5 cups of coffee grounds. Wow, recycled coffee grounds replace 30% of the petrol used in traditional footwear. That's cool. Let's try them on. feels so cozy. They feel so comfy already. Okay, well, oh yeah. I love these shoes already. And I'm kind of like, if a shoe doesn't fit me right in the first moment, I'm not going to be able to wear that shoe. It's like, it needs to feel good right off the bat. And these are very cozy. My foot feels very held, like it does not with Chelsea boots, which is why I don't like Chelsea boots. I'm gonna step outside. Oh, these feel so good. Honestly, it feels like I'm wearing socks, which I like the feeling. I don't really like big clunky shoes. I'm just walking around my house to see how they feel. I really like these. The next test will be to wear them to work and see how they hold up in the warehouse. So, but pretty happy with them so far. And especially if they're like waterproof at the cupping table, that's gonna be very nice. The brand is XpreSole. They sent me these shoes for free, but they're not paying me to make this video. I've just really, honestly, like these shoes after trying them on for, what, 6 minutes now. But I will report back with the longer wear time and let you know how they are after a couple days at work. All right, cheers. Hello, I'm back in the roastery with my new shoes. We'll see if they hold up for a day in the roastery. Well, I'm an hour into work and these shoes are so comfortable. It feels like I'm wearing socks. I really love these shoes so far. We're gonna see how they last all day. Let's go. And we're back. The workday got out of hand. I got really busy. I wasn't able to finish filming the review of the XpreSole shoes, but here they are. They are super comfortable and they're waterproof, which is great for coffee jobs. The only downside I would say for a warehouse job is that they don't have a steel toe. So if you're lifting heavy things or your toes might get squished, they might not be the best. They're super comfortable, so I'd be interested to try some of their other styles. They have some that have coffee print on them. They have others that just look like slip-ons, but these are great. XpreSole shoes, would recommend, especially for a cafe job, because that's when you're gonna spill the most milk and coffee and liquid things on your feet. So the fact that they're waterproof can be really helpful. Yeah, I'm glad I got these. Thanks, XpreSole, and I'll keep on wearing them. Have you tried these shoes or have you seen their ads popping up on your Instagram? If you have, let me know in the comments below. Do you have other favorite work shoes? I'm always on the lookout for the best options for workwear. Tell me the other things you want to see me talk about on this channel, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Cheers.